Alright, Paul again here on EMD. So now I'm going to actually test the system. Sorry. I'm gonna test all the DME actuators. Part of the engine, the actuate stuff, like moving stuff. So what I'm doing now, I'm doing the throttle valve test, which is that one there. Okay, so I had to turn that car off so I can actually see what I'm doing. So I'm doing the throttle valve control activation. You hear that? And close. So that one was running. You can hear it running in the background. So that's working, that one's working. Next one. Turbocharger control module. Hear that? See the turbo moving, there's an arm there. That's an actuator for the turbo. It's working. So next one will be intake manifold bank 1 control circuit. That's the one I'm talking about. So should be working now. It's running. Intake manifold runner bank 1 control circuit. Nothing is happening. That should be moving. That motor should be moving that little rod there. It's connected at the bottom to the actual intake manifold flap. It's not moving at all. As you can see, it's not moving at all. There's a rod there. Alright. Okay, now let's do the next one. That's bank 1. Next one will be bank 2. Intake manifold flap. Runner 2. So now I'm going to press activate. And then that one there should be working. See that one working? Up, down, up, down. So that one's working. That one is not working. That's why the engine light come on, and that's why you got no power, which make you think the DPF is faulty, but it's not. Nothing to do with what we done before. It's just a faulty part. Next one will be the left hand. This is the engine mount, electro hydro engine mount solenoid. It's turning on, but I can't hear it. It's at the bottom. So I'll go back to that one later. Glow plugs running. Yep. Next one will be the actual fan control unit. Should come on. Yep. Fan's working. Fan number 2, come on. That's fan number 1. That's fan number 2. Low speed. That's working. EGR regulator solenoid, which is on top there somewhere. You can hear it. EGR cooler switch solenoid. You can hear that. That one there, EGR cooler switch solenoid. It's working. Next one will be EGR coolant pump, which is that one there. That's the EGR coolant pump, it's working. Doesn't sound healthy, but it's working. Okay, coolant pump. fuel pump relay. I heard that in the back. Not important, that part there, I can hear it off as well. Auxiliary fuel pump, that's working. You hear it? That's the relay. It's working. That's for the auxiliary fuel pump. Fuel cooling. You hear that? Okay, so a lot of stuff you can do with this one here to test a lot of stuff on the actual on the actual diesel system on the Porsche, Audi, and Volkswagen, but they share the same kind of stuff. But yeah, so it's pretty obvious this one's not working, that one's working, and this one here needs to be changed as well. That's why the fault. If you have no power, that means this one here is not working, like I showed before. All right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.